Hi, I'm Lucas Cooney-Mertz, features editor of Baking and Snack Magazine, and welcome to this Baking and Snack Tech Expert. Product quality and consistency are always top priorities for bakers, but these can be a challenge without a strong dough handling process. In our August issue, Andres Lopez of Handtmann highlighted how these handling systems have advanced, and today he'll share more on the quality benefits that bakers are reaping from them. Thanks for joining us today, Andres.
Happy to be here, Lucas.
So, what are those challenges that bakers are typically facing around dough handling and portioning, and how do those challenges impact product quality and overall production efficiency?
Well, as all bakers know, dough is a living organism. It shifts with temperature, hydration, and fermentation time, and those changes can cause a lot of batch to batch inconsistencies, weight drift, or misshapen pieces that slow production and hurt quality. Dough variability and equipment limitations, they don't just affect accuracy, they directly impact a bakery's ability to deliver consistent, high-quality products. When scaling precision slips, even slightly, those inconsistencies compound as production continues. What starts as a minor deviation can quickly escalate into excessive waste, reduced throughput, or full line stoppages that become increasingly expensive with every minute lost. For premium and artisanal products, the challenge is even greater. Achieving tight accuracy while preserving handcrafted quality is a delicate balance, and any compromise shows up immediately in the final product. A misshapen loaf, uneven crumb, or off texture isn't just a defect, it's a direct hit to a brand's reputation. In the high-end market, consumers expect perfection, and one poor visual impression can undo years of brand trust.
And so, what advancements in technology are allowing for that gentler product handling, and how does this technology differ from more traditional systems?
Well, low-stress dough handling, like the vein cell technology that Handtmann uses, and servo-controlled components, now guide dough gently instead of forcing it through, preserving structure, quality, and accuracy far better than older mechanical dividers. Vein cell technology gives bakeries a powerful edge by combining the gentle dough handling with exceptional scaling accuracy. This unique capability not only protects dough structure and quality, but also expands the range of dough types that can be processed consistently. Because the system is inherently more tolerant of normal batch-to-batch variation, bakeries gain far greater control over their process without sacrificing product integrity. Traditional systems are often engineered around a single product, making changeovers slow, restrictive, and costly. In contrast, Handtmann's modular design delivers true multifunctionality by seamlessly handling doughs, batters, and fillings while integrating with a wide range of attachments. This flexibility empowers bakeries to meet diverse production needs, innovate faster, and adapt to market demands without compromising efficiency or quality.
Let's go into that a bit more. What are those advantages that this increased precision is really offering bakers? And how is that product quality consistency, as well as cost savings, really being enhanced?
Increased precision reduces giveaway, it minimizes premium ingredient waste, and it delivers a more uniform product that strengthens brand quality. The bakery sector has long benefited from relatively low-cost ingredients, but that reality has changed. With the rising demand for functional ingredients and clean label formulations, bakers now face shrinking margins and increasing pressure to produce more complex products on equipment that was never designed for them. Many operations are caught between maintaining product quality and controlling costs, with very little room for error. In this environment, precision isn't optional, it's the foundation of cost control. The tighter the accuracy, the more predictable the margins, especially for today's high-value, ingredient-sensitive products. When that precision is paired with Handtmann's modular scalable solutions, bakers gain the flexibility to run high-volume production with confidence. The result is a system that adapts to modern product demands, protects profitability, and delivers consistent performance day after day.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Andres, for joining us today on this Baking and Snack Tech Expert.